This video I'm going to share with you the stay experience at this Sofitel Wellington. It's a beautiful hotel, and then I'm only staying here for one night, and tomorrow I'm going to change to another city, and I'll share with you that, about the breakfast, the room, the facility. So let's check in over here. I got an upgrade. This room is actually redemption from the Accor Plus from the free 2 nights credit. I booked the classic room and I got an upgrade to the luxury room, and let's check out. This is my room. I will start from here. There's a welcome gift. It's just placed like this, and then the welcome message, Kiao, bonjour, Kiao ra. So it's a French way and then the New Zealand way, and we just enjoy the treat that we left for you in the room. Okay, so one thing is like start from the fridge first. Empty fridge, but like they give a lot of milk. It's lots of fresh milk. It's not creamer. Wine and beer opener, wine glasses, all the mug, the Espresso coffee capsule, lots of tea from Dilma, and chocolate powder, and then instant coffee, lots of instant coffee, sugar, raw sugar, and fine sugar. And then I have to show you the view first. Ta-da! It's a residential view, but this house is amazing. I wish I can live inside there with a big garden. It's huge. I love a house with big garden. I can plant a lot of things. Okay, so wardrobe. This is a steam iron and shoe brush, shoe horns, sewing kit, and then the laundry bag, ironing board. Okay, let me see the price for the laundry. So to fold and wash is $11 per piece for a shirt. Acceptable to me. And if you're going to dry cleaning for the suit is $33 for 2 pieces. Acceptable price. I'm happy with this. A very reasonable hotel, not charging a premium. And the wardrobe is like this. Bedroom slipper, extra pillow, hanger, and the safe is huge and quite heavy. Ay, ay, ay. Then this is a very weird position to look at the mirror like this, but never mind, I will not do anything with that. So the bedside has got nothing. There's one power plug or 2 power plug there, so it's okay for me. TV, nothing can open, and one power plug with 2 USB port right over here and the alarm clock. Acceptable. And the view right over here is partly harbor view. Looks fine. And writing text. Let's see anything inside here. Okay. Oh, so here is a plug, the 2 universal power plug, lovely, 2 USB port, a HDMI port, and perfect, and the Bluetooth. Ooh, okay. And wow, this is beautiful. It's a real butterfly. Wow. Rosemary, and can't remember all the names. The bird's nest. Okay, let's go to the washroom. Hang on, let me try the trick, then I'll go to the washroom. I think the hotel think that all the Malaysians eat the food with their hand, so they did not provide fork and a spoon or whatever to enjoy this beautiful treat. So I'm going to give it a try. Wow. Very nice. I like it. Let me try one more time. What a great treat. I'm going to show you the toilet now. No fog. Okay, so here it is. Here's the toilet. Very spacious, clean, smell good. One power plug over here. I think it's for the hair dryer. They are using the Balmain's product for the lotion and the hand wash and the shampoo and the body wash. So this is actually covered up like this, but I just leave it here, easier for me to open. So they provide the nail puff, sanitary bag, cotton bud, shower cap, and cotton pad. Then the hand towel. Let me check out the hair dryer, see whether it's a good one or a very weak one. I think it's very important for everyone to have a hair dryer to dry your hair or dry any other item. Ay, ay, ay. So it looks like this. Powerful, very good. Then here is a standing shower with a rain shower and a handheld shower with the shampoo, hair conditioner and body wash. Then you get the what I call toilet bowl right over here. Let's go for a bed test. When you travel, the bed is like most important thing. So quite soft, quite bouncy, quite steady. Okay, so they give quite a lot of pillow over here, support. Oh, this is quite a hard one, but don't care. Most important is the head pillow for the head. Okay, it seems like a cotton pillow. Okay, two of the pillows are the same material, so it is fine for me. But the bed is a king size bed, but it's a little bit small to me though. It feels a little bit like queen size to me. So let's go to the club lounge for the afternoon tea now. Welcome to the club Sofitel. It looks like this. All day refreshment is over here. At 3 p.m. they'll be served the afternoon tea. You can get the sparkling and still water here, the juices, Coke, Sprites. I think this is the all day refreshment. The muffin looks good. It's not the dry muffins. The sandwich, the chocolate. And let's see what is this. All day offering non-alcohol beverages, what I shown you. The afternoon tea is 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. Sandwiches of the day and the sweet. So this is the one. Oh my god, there's a lot of wine you can order for the evening hour, the happy hour. And a beer. Oh, wow, I'm excited with this. And there's a lot of chocolate here. Goodness, this is a good chocolate that I like. And the chips, oh happy, I'm going to have this with my wine. And then the stable sitting here. Ooh, this nut is good, I like it very much. And these are the fireplace that you can warm you up, and the coffee machines for you to have a nice coffee and tea. This is the fitness center, which is the gym. A lot of dumbbell, running tracks, bicycle, and then lots of the machine for you to do cardio, and also some of the yoga mat. Okay, let me see, is there anything inside? Oh, so the fitness center include with the shower room, and you're also using the Balmain shampoo with a hair dryer. It's very nice. I'm happy with this gym that I can have a very good workout over here. And I think this is the emergency exit. They can't go out now. So this is what you can get at the evening hour. The salad, the canapé, spring roll. So let me see what is this inside for the hot food. Pasta. And then oh, this one should be a beef cheek. Cheese platter, the coca, and then the bread. Everything looks good, but I think I will still go out to have some dinner after this. But let me get a lot of drink first. I will try my best to try all the wine and the beer. But first I'm going to have the Pinot Gris from New Zealand. Nice. The staff are very generous to give a huge portion. You should ask for a smaller portion and then try which one is the best. Then I will let you know which one you should try. I had the salad. The cauliflower is very tasty. I will also try to pair with other food with the spring roll, and the beef chili looks super good. The broth is really good. Very nice sparkling wine. I'm going to try the Pinot Noir. Not bad. Quite a little bit of spices inside. I think Sean will love it very much, but for me I don't really like it. And I'll just try the beef. The beef tastes a little bit like pork to me. Still tasty. Spring roll, amazingly good. And then going to try the pasta. Average. So I tried the cold cut, the ham. It was very amazing. And I tried the blue cheese. Actually, I don't like blue cheese, but their blue cheese is good. I think this is a cheddar. I think the cheddar can pair very well with pasta. So far, there's only one staff at the bar, so you have to go over to the bar counter to ask for a drink. But she's always in the storeroom, busy at her work. So, but she always pour out a big portion of wine for you. So make sure that tell her that you want only for tasting, then she'll make it a smaller portion for you. I think one thing is lack of the evening cocktail is a dessert. There's no dessert in the spread. For me, I'm a savory person. I'm very happy. But if you are a sweet tooth person, you'll be a little bit disappointed for you. I had a very good sleep. Soundproof is very good. Probably the area has got no people around after 8 p.m. The bed is very comfortable. The air conditioning is very strong. The shower is like very weird. The hot water, you will feel that the hot water is like slightly not hot enough, and then hot enough. It's just like a little bit annoying. Shampoo is okay, not really that bad, but I love the hair conditioner. The hair conditioner is really good. But hair dryer is very powerful. I can dry my hair within a few seconds. Really, that a few seconds. What else? The evening cocktail last night is actually not bad, but it's just only one staff inside the club Sofitel. So whenever you need to get a drink, you really have to wait a bit sometime. And I never see them refill the food. So I guess it's just like you need to go slightly early if you need to try their hot food, which is the spring roll is delicious, the beef is delicious, the salad is quite nice. I think with the yogurt something. Then have to drink as much as you can. So now I'm going to go have breakfast now. Let's go. Let's check out the breakfast area. I can see there are a few cereals right over here, and the condiment for the cereal, dried banana. Oh, it's like they call it banana chips. And then this orange juice looks good. And a cold cut over here. There are some berry smoothie, house made yogurt. I'm gonna try that. And the beautiful kiwi, pineapple, orange juice, cranberry juice, pineapple juice. The condiments for the salad. And the cold cut, it seems like same with the one in yesterday, but I have not tried the brie. I did not see the brie yesterday. Oh my god, the muffin and croissant looks good. I'm going to try this muffin, and then this is the one same like yesterday in the lounge. Okay, and let's see. Oh, okay, these are the bread that you can get it toast. Let's see what we can have for this. Oh wow, the big bean is huge, and then the hash brown is so cute. It's very small, and the sausage. Oh, the hash brown smell very good, and the bacon. So the buffet spread is small, and then you can still get some nice breakfast over here. And there is some jam, honey, marmite for you to spread on the toast. They also give you a menu about the buffet breakfast. You get to know what you can get in this menu, and you also can order the a la carte cook to order. Cocoa in 3 grain porridge. Ew, sounds weird to me. But the porridge is the different with the Asian porridge. Then eggs your way, so like poached egg, scrambled egg, and smashed avocado, smoked salmon, burroli, richu, French toast. Oh, I should try the French toast, and the omelette. Just done checkout. Checkout is very fast. The staff Tony, the lady is very helpful. The lady that checked us in and checked us out, she is very helpful because I actually had a hotel stay 4 or 5 hour drive away from Wellington. After the booking, they did not show anything. They did not tell her about the check-in because there's a cabin in the hillside. So Tony is actually very helpful to us, help me to make a phone call to the hotel. So far, the stay experience is fantastic. Me and my friend, we have a very good sleep, very good rest. Breakfast is quite simple, but it's quite full breakfast. I tried almost 50% of the item in the buffet, and then tried the smashed avocado, average. The fried egg is average. They didn't fry it very beautifully. The gym is good. It's very useful gym. There's no swimming pool in this hotel. There's no what they call car park. If you are going to drive over here, you have to either go for the valet or you have to park at the public area. But you have to make a payment in a very weird way, like with the app, or like you have to make a few payment. So I decided to use the valet. It's only cost $50. Then we arrived quite late in the afternoon. We had the afternoon break, afternoon tea. We rest a little bit. We come back for the evening cocktail. Then we went out for a short walk. It is a a little bit boring city to me and my friend. Then we have a very early sleep. Then we are going to the next city now. So with that, I hope this video is very helpful to you, and then it will be easier for you to make a decision to have breakfast here, to choose the room, and then to stay here. Okay, goodbye.